Hey everybody, I'm going to make a PC building pick. I am, video. I am really excited. I got the Sonic branded B760M Wi-Fi board by AsRock. Really excited. I'm going to pair that with the Core Intel i7-13700 non-K with, let's see, this is 32 gigabytes of 6000 megahertz DDR5 RAM. Obviously Windows 11. Then I got two SSDs. I have this is a 1 terabyte SSD and a 2 terabyte SSD. And there's the Noctua thermal paste. This is the big CPU cooler. This is a AG620 black edition with RGB. And the piece de resistance, I have a GeForce RTX 4070. And this thing's going to do ray tracing. It's not really meant to do 4K, but it can in certain games. I'm just really excited to have this. This is amazing. All put into a Fractal Pop Air computer case with the blue inside, because this is going to be a Sonic theme build. All right, let's get cracking.